I demonstrate a long hairstyle with wispy effect, which is so popular right now. First, I combine 2 pairs of straight scissors 6th to trim the hair ends by point cut. It doubles the efficiency and makes the opening softer, by using 1 more pair of scissors. Vern Intelligent Combined Scissors can be disassembled and assembled very simply, conveniently and fast according to the desired hair cutting effects. Please leave your valuable comments or questions in the comment section under the video. If you like this video, please hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. There are more videos that give you more haircut inspiration on Vern's channel. Look carefully at the effect at hair ends. It is very beautiful. Next, in order to create wispy and 3-dimensional effects, I especially combine 2 pairs of Vern Styling Scissors 6ed, and add Vern Bridge between these 2 scissors together to use. I can quickly create more perfect and excellent wispy and 3-dimensional effects for this hairstyle that I want to design by slanting texturizing. Please note that the teeth of 6ed are wider, as long as it is used in a way that is close to parallel to the hair slice. You can use it at ease, without worrying about cutting too much hair at one time. Doing slanting texturizing at hair ends, I can also create soft and beautiful wispy effect. Look. After doing slanting texturizing, I can feel the soft and smooth hair with my fingers, and easily create wispy effect for this hairstyle. Just simply style the hair, and a stunning hairstyle with wispy effect is done. Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.